Yo, it's your boy Damenicion Scott, back at you once again with a brand new video. Better late than ever. We are going inside Best Buy to find either No Way Home, more recent releases like Scream 5, a heavy metal steelbook, No Way Home, and a bunch of other things. And a special guest is here.
You just scared the shit out of me. When you yelled. Yo!
Let's not waste any more time and let's go inside. Here we are, guys. I'm gonna try to speak as loud as possible because there's a lot of music playing. Let's get a little look around here and see what we can find. As you can see here, we got ourselves the Spider-Man No Way Home standee, and just as my luck, they really limited the slip covers on these. I think the Blu-ray is going for $22.99 and the 4K is $27.99. Ain't none of these with steelbooks. What the? Come on, Sony, what the hell? And over here, you have all these No Way Homes with no slipcover, and we have the DVD, not near one of these. Jesus, man. And we do got some Scream for $24.99 if you want the Blu-ray, and the 4K for $29.99, and the first one. And if you're missing the first one, then here's the 4K edition. And we still got some steelbooks for Eternals, a lot of Eternals, and some Catwoman, so really not bad. I think this is going to be the new Wonder Woman 84 steelbook because it's really sticking around. And on the other side, there's still plenty of Matrix Resurrection steelbooks, so maybe the price is right, maybe I'll consider it. And I think this is also new. Come On, starring Joaquin Phoenix for $15.99. Matrix Resurrections was really not as bad as people said. And I think this is also a new West Side Story steelbook. Some Resident Evil. You know, a heavy metal steelbook came out and it's sold out. Oh well. And the same as usual, Ghostbusters and Dune and Halloween. And over here again is some more Matrix. There's a whole lot of it. And more No Way Homes, right? With no slips. And oh, what do you know? Only one. What the F, Sony? What the F? Only one. And so your Eternals, still looking around. Some Sonic Boom, and Chucky Season 1. I heard stuff about this. I heard it's pretty good. Maybe I'll buy it when the price is right, and it's currently going for $23.99. Let's see. A lot of music playing in here, so allow me to talk over that. Let's see. Some more. There go the Street Fighter steelbook for $23.99. I've been seeing some Blu-ray hunting videos where they had I think they had the first Halloween in. What the? Hey, what are you doing? Well, as I was just thinking, I thought I saw some Halloween. I think I might see some Halloween, those Shout Factory releases in here. I really don't see it, at least not on this side. And so here on the other side, we got Gotham, Game of Thrones, Futurama, some Arrow, Friends, Prince of Bel-Air, Even still got that big set Smallville out Sunday. And what do you see?
About what? About what?
What do you see? Oh, they got a Halloween triple feature with H2O.
I see Shrek.
6 and Resurrections, and that, I guess that's $13.99.
Shit.
That's all right.
I see Zombieland.
Do you see the first Halloween?
I don't have the best eyesight, so I don't think. Is it in here?
And over here on this rack, I see some Spider-Man, Detective Pikachu, Venom, and Monster Hunter. Amazing Spider-Man here on 4K. Wow. Oh, some Cobra Kai DVDs. Which is strange though, because a lot of other states got Cobra Kai on Blu-ray, but here in the US, nope. Let's take a look. And on this side is some Matrix. Yeah. Someday. And going down. Suicide Squad is on $14.99. Not bad. Here on the other side, I think this is the same as usual. Yeah, looks the same as usual. Oh, look. Well, you don't have the steelbook. Well, here's a $7.99 pack of the first Heavy Metal for $7.99. And some 4Ks. Oh, it's starting to get loud.
Psych. I used to watch it every day. Well, not every day, every week after Monday Night Raw. It always came on USA. Whatever that network was. Very good show. Very good senses of humor. If you got a bad sense of humor, it's probably not for you. But I love it. Do people accept my opinions? I was asking you a question. Like, do they accept my opinions?
I'm sure they accept anything.
They can't say anything.
Maybe if whoever's watching maybe knows about it. If you guys know about this show, let me know all your opinions down below.
Yeah, look at the back.
Okay.
My recommendation of the video. Site.
Real quick, we'll take a look at these 10 Things I Hate About You. Clueless with Alicia Silverstone. Dead Poets Society, Ready Player One. I don't know. But Good Will Hunting and Juno. I'm gonna say Grace and Mean Girls. Remember the Titans. Say Anything. Porky's. She's All That. And before we wrap this up, just going through this rack and see if there's anything else noticeable. The original Mulan still on 4K with a slip for $19 or $20, but someday. Transformers on 4K. The Hobbit picture on no, that's not Steelbook, it's a 4K edition. From Dusk Till Dawn. From Dusk Till Dawn on DVD trilogy. I think I want the first one on Blu-ray someday. Some Batman the Animated Series, and it's still like $60. That's definitely a pass. Some complete series of Supergirl, but I have all seasons now. But if you don't have any of the seasons, then maybe this is a good pick for you. Okay, still the same things. We got out of Best Buy, guys. Back in the car, we're gonna show you what we picked up and wrap it up here. It was pretty strange. They really limited the slipcovers of No Way Home in there, but we found one. This was the only one left with a slipcover. Thank God.
Oh damn, for real?
Yeah,
I did not notice that.
this was the only one.
Damn.
There was no other edition there with no slipcover at all.
Grunge edition kind of bit, but
And
shit,
it is yeah, you guys can see that there's a little tear in on the slip, and I think there's some little tear at the top. I don't know what the hell, Sony. You really limited the slip covers on this, unless you buy the Walmart exclusive or buy the steelbook, but I'm pretty sure those are all sold out. Those go out in a snap. It is, I guess it is what it is, but I'm very happy this is now finally part of the collection. I really enjoyed this movie. It was one of the best experiences in a long time. But that is it, guys. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more, and I will talk to you guys later. Please take care.
Bye. Have a nice time. Look at it. Look at it right there. I don't even know. You don't even know.
I don't think you should do that.
Could have ended that man right there. Never let him know your next move. Always watch your surroundings.
Bye, guys. Please take care. Subscribe. Keep physical media
Alive!
alive.
Keep it alive. Keep it alive.